This is an action entitled State of Ohio Plaintiff versus Roger Dean Ward, defendant. In this case number TRD 230413 A, B, and C. And comes on for this, a trial today. Today is the 22nd day of November 2023. The defendant is present in court. He is not represented by counsel. The state of Ohio is represented by Jordan Liddell, assistant prosecuting attorney, and the ticket issuing the charging officer, Jason Wilson, was also present in court. This case had 3 tickets involved with it. The court has dismissed the charges on 2 of those tickets. And I'm not sure about the A, B, and the C. The original ticket number was 2307, and 2308, 2309 were subsequently filed. The court has left the matter pending as to 2307 only, and the charge being 2 headlights displayed. Is that A, B, and C?
What is it?
Is it A? Is the 2307 ticket? Is that A, B, or C?
Your Honor, if I may, the headlight is the C charge.
Is it which?
It's the C charge.
C.
Yes,
Okay.
Your Honor.
All right. Well, but there are 3 tickets. So did you charge and I think the 2 headlights was on 2 different tickets.
That's correct, Your
But it
Honor.
was only assigned 1 letter.
I believe it was on 2307 and 2308. The headlight was on both of them.
Yeah, I understand that. That's what I just said. But I'm trying to figure out which one. I left it pending in ticket number 2307. I'm curious, is that's C?
That's still C from my understanding, Your
All
Honor.
right. But does the clerk agree with that? I'm not sure how you assign cases. Number C.
Here's the original ticket. It's APMC. We have driver's license, 2 headlights. Is that all that's on the first ticket?
Yes. So is the 2 headlight charged on the first ticket, the 2307 number? Is that our C case?
B is driver's license. Yeah, see, the ticket, the headlight is on the original first ticket. You have
It
the
was
driver's
on-
license and the headlight.
It was actually on 2 tickets, but what I'm interested in is the one, the headlight charge, which is on ticket 2307. They have a little number on the left-hand side.
Where is the number? Let's see the number. The number.
So, just about.
Oh, okay. Okay, this is 2308. Has the headlight and no license plate. The 239 has the driver's license. And I don't have a,
You don't have what?
Your Honor, let me help you out. It never was filed with the court.
I'm sorry?
2307 never was filed with the court.
I don't think so. No.
So 2307 was never filed?
file these? 'Cause I'm gonna show you what was filed with the court. When we originally got the tickets, and if you want to scroll, these are the 2 tickets that I got.
So there's only 2
got
tickets filed.
2 tickets. I got A, B, and C on both tickets. So you've got 2 charges on the first ticket, and then you've got 1 charge on the second ticket.
I understand all
don't
of that.
know where the
but I was
2307
told that I
came
thought
from.
Yeah,
I don't know where that came from.
you know where this ticket came from.
But I know it was in exhibits.
So it was never filed, does that state agree with that?
Your Honor, from my understanding, it was originally filed. It should come over with the original, with the amended citation.
Your Honor, on the record of the last hearing, he stated on the stand under oath that he wasn't sure, he didn't think it was filed, and then you also asked her, and she said it wasn't filed. I got the recording, if we would like to go over it.
Regardless of what was said last time we were here, if ticket number 2307 was never filed, then it's not a charge pending in this court. So I'm not sure what happened.
I'm not sure what happened, Your Honor, I'm not completely sure.
So, if it's not if 2307 is not pending in this court, then there's nothing to be tried to. So, and honestly, so my understanding is then that case number, based on what's being said here, and I'm asking more than telling, that case number TRD 2304313 A, B, and C was pending only on tickets number 2308 and 2309. Is that, I mean, that's what I think I've just been told. Now, does the state think I've been told something else, or do you agree that's what I've just told?
Your Honor, we will agree with you then on those purposes, but we do not understand what's happened, however, we will agree with you, Your Honor. I believe that there might have been an issue with filing, so if 2307 was never filed, then we do have an issue there.
Okay, so the journal entry that was approved by the court on 11/14/2023, was that filed that same day? 11/14/2023.
And what
Decision.
is the filing? What is the filing?
Well, I don't know when it was filed. I know when
I'm
I
just
emailed
asking,
it
what's
over.
the name of it?
Oh, decision and journal entry. I assumed it was filed the same day.
And it's a motion for what?
It's called a decision and journal entry. It was a decision made by the court on 11/14/2023.
Hey, can I have you come here, please, and help me with this? I don't see this in there either.
What was that?
It looks like, he had said this is in a journal entry. I don't see, he's saying he's at 11/14. I don't see anything here on that.
Well, if you did,
Decision
you
motion.
would email it to Teresa.
Right, that's what I thought. You know, because she had said that.
Well, I mean,
Journal.
well, because it's not been docketed.
So this has not been docketed. Did you send it to Teresa?
Might may have, well, do you have it?
No, that's what I'm asking. I don't have a copy, I don't have anything of it. I don't personally know them here, that's the reason I didn't know if you'd email it to Teresa or.
As I recall, I received a phone call from the clerk's office based upon the direction in that entry that this matter be set for trial on ticket number 2307. I believe the clerk's office called me to comply with that requirement, so they would have had to have had something.
It says I emailed the judge to see if I had received everything that had been filed. And then notice of.
Yeah, this is a copy of my email where I sent it.
Well, it doesn't look like she docketed this, it doesn't look like she set the hearing.
When something gets, I'm a little bit,
Because on the 15th, the next day, she changed that to a pre-trial, the bench trial from the pre-trial.
I'm not sure it's going to make a difference, but I'm a little confused about what happens with this electronic paperless system when something gets emailed here. Does it go into some bank somewhere, email?
No, what happened in this case, and is typically what they do is they electronically file it with the court, which is different than sending an email. What should have happened with this is she should have printed the email, followed the instructions. She did follow the instructions, but it should have then been scanned into the case. File stamp document. If it comes to the electronic system, then what she does is she processes it and it automatically gets file stamped and put in the case.
Okay.
But that's what we do. The electronic filing is not typically email filing. Email filing is kind of like a fax. It then has to manually be put in the system. Whereas the electronic filings are in a box, they pick them up out of the box and they file them that way.
Okay. So I'm just curious, would that entry be somewhere here in somebody's email?
Probably in Teresa's email.
I got a copy of it that was file stamped on the 14th, if that helps you.
Oh, it is file stamp?
That is file stamped on the
But
14th.
I don't know what she did with it.
Okay.
This is your order. You're talking about your order, your entry?
Yeah, I don't need to see it. I see it from here.
Yeah.
I see a file stamp on it. And you said, prosecutor said, okay. So apparently it was filed.
Yeah, and she sent hearing notices to both parties,
But it's just not on there.
but it didn't get done.
Well, here's the point, I guess, is that the court here dismissed the charges in tickets number 2308 and 2309. And if 2307 is not filed, then it's not a pending case in this court. And so, the court will make that finding, is that 2307, apparently was never filed. Unless the state wishes to argue that it was somehow, if you have a file stamp, did I see a file stamp copy on that? Before I make that finding, let me see. When I received a copy of the charges here, does the state have a file stamped copy of 2307?
Your Honor, the only copy of 2307 that I do possess does not have a file stamp in it.
Well, regardless of the reason, regardless of the intent, it doesn't appear that 2307, and is there someplace else to look to see whether it's...
No, I do have it. It was emailed. I have the email.
You're talking now about the journal.
Yes.
Okay.
Now the other one,
The 2307 ticket.
right. And I have exhibits of them.
Yeah, those were presented last time we were here. I do want to also, while you were out, Mr. Ward here and Ms. Waddell also each indicated that they had file stamped copies of this.
Yes, yes. She had sent them out, but not saved it in our system. Yeah. So she got them out, but I didn't have it in here. It's the reason but she just didn't.
So before we close the proceedings here today, I want to make sure that, I want to make sure the question's understood and has been answered. So you have no record that 2307, that ticket was filed. And the state has no record that it was filed.
I do not, Your Honor.
So of course, I'm trying to, there's no further. 2307 apparently was not filed, and therefore there's
Right.
nothing to proceed. The case
Because
is
it's-
closed.
Yeah, it's $2 ticket. I don't know where that ticket came from.
That is really, really true.
Thank you, Your Honor.